Our sincere tribute to Shri Rajiv Rathi, DDG and State Coordinator, NIC Odisha on the occasion of his superannuation from the government service. Sir, your tenure has been marked by exceptional leadership, unwavering dedication, and inspiring mentorship. As a senior leader, you were not only a guiding force but also a role model for all of us. Under your stewardship, NIC Odisha flourished, fostering seamless coordination with NIC headquarters in New Delhi and excelling in both technical and administrative fronts. Your constant support and timely guidance ensured efficient execution of responsibilities, while your clarity of thought helped navigate critical decisions with confidence. Your presence enriched many significant moments, be it official events, project launches, technology initiatives, or social gatherings. One of the most memorable highlights was your pivotal role during the implementation of the Subhadra Yojana, a flagship program of the government of Odisha. Despite the project being outside NIC's purview, you, along with Madam Rachna Srivastav and your team, promptly responded to the state's urgent call for support. Your visit to Odisha and the comprehensive solution you provided not only salvaged the situation but also earned NIC the high appreciation from the highest levels of the state government. Sir, spanning a career of more than 37 years, you have contributed in almost all domains of NIC. You have taken the responsibilities at very sensitive places like Vice President's Secretariat, Lok Sabha Secretariat, Rajya Sabha Secretariat, UIDAI, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs, etc. You have also initiated and successfully implemented some of the emerging and advanced technologies like smart card technologies, Aadhaar services, e-sign, biometric attendance project, EBAS, e-office project, e-district MMP, collab files, etc. Besides this, you have also managed the administration, personnel and project management divisions with utmost sincerity and dedication. We fondly remember your interactions with senior state officials including the Chief Secretary, Odisha and Secretary, Odisha Legislative Assembly, along with your inauguration of the newly developed meeting room and the CBR training at state headquarters. Each visit of yours was marked by engaging interactions with officers across state and district centers, where your insights into emerging technologies and strategic direction left a profound impact. Your words of encouragement were especially inspiring for our younger colleagues, instilling in them a sense of purpose and motivation. Your clear understanding of NIC Odisha's operations ensured swift and thoughtful guidance on proposals, file disposals, and administrative matters, streamlining the functioning of our office immensely. Though you are set to retire on 30th June 2025, your absence will be deeply felt. However, the legacy you leave behind will continue to guide and inspire us. You will forever hold a special place in the hearts of all NIC uns in Odisha. We extend our heartfelt gratitude and wish you a joyous, healthy, and fulfilling retired life filled with happiness and success in all your future endeavors.